Hi, I'm Gizzy Erskine, and this man needs no introduction. It's the wonderful Ken Hom.
Thank you.
Ken, what are you going to be making today?
Well, I'm going to do a vegetarian version of what we call Dan Dan Noodles. I'm going to have you blanch some noodles. Instead of using meat, I thought it'd be very nice to use courgette. Even if somebody's not vegetarian, they would love it. And if you could chop out that garlic and ginger for me, and as soon as that is all chopped up, I'm heating up my wok until it's very, very hot. You want to always heat up the wok before you add the oil. That gives the flavor of what we call in Chinese the wok hei, which is grilled, smoky flavor of the wok.
So it's called wok hei?
Yes.
So it's actually, you know, that's sort of what people would be scared of.
Yes, yes, exactly.
What you actually desperately want.
Just continue, cooking at a very, very high temperature, because that is what gives wok cooking its unique flavor. A little bit of salt and pepper. And how are we doing here?
Well, I've got your Judy in. I was a bit scared of
that's okay.
The garlic. Is that all right?
Yeah,
the
that's
garlic
fine.
like that?
This is what I also love about this type of cooking. You just dump everything in, and it can never go wrong.
Yeah.
Now, I'm stirring the garlic and ginger, and now I'm going to add the sauce. I'm going to start with Kum Kee Premium Dark Soy Sauce. It's been fermented
syrupy
longer.
almost.
Yes. Instead of adding sesame paste, I substitute by using peanut butter, which works just as well. And I'm using one of my favorite Kum Kee sauces, which is the Chiu chili oil. A dash of this lovely Kum Kee chili garlic sauce.
I'm also
this
obsessed
is
with that.
wonderful.
It
Yeah,
really
this is pretty obsessive.
They're different sort of chilies, aren't
Yes.
they? The oil's more deep and rich, and that one's sort of more aromatic and fragrant.
Mix that together. Anytime you have chilies and spice like this, you need to add just a bit of sugar to give it a balance. And we will add a little bit of either vegetarian stock, a touch of Chinese white rice vinegar. Let's see how that tastes.
I'm gonna come in here. Put mine.
Oh,
Wow.
this will wake up the dead. It's just so.
That is delicious.
Look at that. And you want to cook the noodles in that sauce. And if it gets a little bit dry, just add a little bit of either water or stock to this. This is better than spaghetti bolognese, I can tell you. You can't go wrong with this, really.
Oh my God, look at that.
Look at that. Lovely coriander. My vegetarian Dan Dan noodles.